think first half it was all under control. I think maybe we didn't have the ball that much because they were playing like with the center backs so much with the ball, but they didn't create any chance. I think we had maybe 3 or 4 clear chances in the first half. The ones that we start with me, that I didn't expect this ball, but I just put my leg there and the ball go over the bar. Then we had a few chances more that we didn't score. When you don't score, you pay after. I think second half we start again okay. We play good. We have a lot of good options to score again. And then at the end, they have one chance. They score this goal. Then we run over the things. We try to make the things faster and maybe with a bit of rush, because we need to score. And then they got the second goal, and then it was done. But I think we have to be happy with the performance of the team, but not with the result, of course.
You had Ryan playing in the midfield with you there for a little bit, and then he went back to center back. What did he bring to this team?
Yeah, I think he brought a lot of things. For sure, the physicality, the way he plays, the way he controlled the midfielder. He remembered me like this kind of player like Sergio Busquets, Casemiro, that they always try to control the things on the midfielder, to try to get as much balls and steal the balls and play fast to the other guys. And then after he had to play as center back because Sega's injured, and I think he did again amazing job. He brought a lot of good things. He's gonna bring more and more things, and we have to be happy that he's here with us.
Victor, what does this team have to do next to sort of get to that next level? It seems like you guys are on the precipice of a breakthrough, but you're not seeing that result yet.
No, I think we are doing good. We are still there. We are making a lot of good things. Like Greg said, also it was one of the best performance of the season. Of course, it's always about the result. When you don't win, the people start to talk like, okay, maybe it's not the right way, or maybe it's not a good result. But I think we have to be happy. I say we have to be happy the way we play, the way the guys also we work on the field, the guys coming after also. And now think about Dallas on Wednesday, because we have ahead another tough game like all the games here. Just forget about this one as soon as possible and get back against Dallas and try to win at home, because now we have 2 defeats at home that is not good.
Thanks, Victor.
Yeah.
Thank you, Josh. We'll go with Gio Garcia next. Gio, go ahead.
Hey, Victor, you played a great game today. I know it might be like a bittersweet feeling. You played great, but you guys weren't able to score. What kind of conversations were you having with the teammates on the field? Because you were putting the ball right on point. It'd get it right on their head or on their feet, but it just wasn't going in. Was there anything you were telling to the guys? No,
it's just about confidence and about scoring goals. I think that's all. We are creating the chances. It was like clear chances today. But sometimes you don't score, and then you pay, like I said. It's not about talking or about maybe training more or whatever. I think it's also confidence, maybe sometimes more luck, and today we didn't have this luck. They had, I think, 2 or 3 chances. They scored 2 goals. Maybe we had 7 or 8 chances, we didn't score. And football is about scoring goals, and today it's Kansas City's turn. They won, and we have to think about these kind of things, but we don't have to work anything else that we are not working.